Everyone loves potato. You can boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew, or make potato wedges. And that's what we're making today. There won't be an oven involved, and we'll be using less oil. So this is healthier than having it deep fried. First, cut the potato. I cut mine into 8 pieces from 1 potato. Now boil them and add a bit of salt to give some flavor to it. Cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. You should be able to easily poke through it, but not soft enough that it will crumble. For seasoning, I use Italian herbs and stock powder. Go ahead and put in your favorite herbs or seasoning. Or, if you just want to leave it plain, you do that. Pan fry it until all the sides turn to a crispy golden brown. I'm adding more salt and garlic powder here. And we're done. Get some of your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy.